So Qualcomm says that it's driving the connected intelligent edge. Can you explain what this is and why you think you can succeed with it?
So we are driving connected intelligent edge as a new way to optimize level of efficiency in the IoT market. There is not just the cloud. Intelligence is one of the major trends. We need to bring intelligence closer to the device. This is what we define connected intelligent edge as a way to bring intelligence through connectivity to the field. For example, in industrial automation, you need to leverage a lot of intelligent application much closer to the application itself in order to leverage the real-time capability of new technologies such as 5G. So Qualcomm, as a leader in semiconductor space, has the capability to integrate a lot of intelligence in our silicon, as long as new connectivity technologies such as 5G, but even Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and new ones as well, in order to leverage the capabilities of this technology to be very reactive and intelligently taking advanced decisions for factory automation, for the process industry, for warehousing, and so forth.
Thank you. I mean, these are very sophisticated solutions. But what industry trends do you think that it is that's really driving the growth in the IoT at the moment?
There is a lot of demand for new things to materialize in the IoT space. One is the acceleration of digitalization. Digitalization requires a much more important role for the cloud, but it's not just cloud. As we said before, even edge is very important, because digitalization is about taking smart intelligence closer to the device in real time, and then maybe building big analytics platforms in the cloud. They both work together in order to create this acceleration in the digitalization journey for multiple verticals. Is smart energy, smart grids, industrial automation, smart retail, and so forth. They all need different levels of intelligence, cloud, edge, and fast connectivity as well.
Absolutely. I mean, it's very compelling. What traction are you getting with customers? Can you give some real examples of things?
Absolutely. We are, even in Mobile World Congress, announcing new collaboration that are meant to leverage new technologies and specify new technologies to create something new in new verticals. One example is the effort we did with the SES Imagotag, a global leader of ESL, electronic shelf label for the retail space. Together, we contributed to standardize a new BLE Bluetooth profile working with Bluetooth SIG that is specifically for this application. What we intend to do is to bring Bluetooth technology to retail space to implement new use cases for the consumer, a better experience, such as real-time pricing, but also bring Bluetooth connectivity for value-added use cases in the retail market as well, such as tracking goods out of stock and much more.
Absolutely. And one of the recent announcements that we've seen recently is the Qualcomm Aware Platform. Can you tell me a little about what that is, what it will do, and why it will benefit end users?
It's one of the Qualcomm important initiatives to accelerate the adoption of digital and connected services for new applications. We believe that global connectivity is really one objective the companies such as Qualcomm should achieve and help to accelerate working with the ecosystem. There are compelling new use cases that require some investment in technology in order to facilitate the access and the enablement of these new technologies. One is shipment and the logistics. Aware is a software service platform with the embedded technology options that are meant to address the friction points of global connectivity for logistics to start, but is not limited to logistics. We want to address many more use cases as well, targeting, for example, asset management in the energy industry. We have in Mobile World Congress some example of this application as well, and is one way to facilitate the access to sophisticated technologies through cloud APIs. There is an API-first approach so that developers and companies that are focused on their use case can leverage these complex technologies without solving issues related to the ubiquitous coverage from the cellular connectivity, for example. So we put in the Aware solution our secret sauce, our R&D efforts in order to optimize the connectivity. We did acquisition for enhanced localization technologies that are not only happening through satellites, also via Wi-Fi and via cellular. we acquired Skyhook and Polti companies that are providing best-in-class solution for terrestrial localization. And we blend everything together in order to provide an API-first approach for developers, for companies that can leverage global connectivity for new use cases.
Thank you. And what specifically are you showcasing at MWC this year?
We have 4 demos on Aware. We have use cases on Aware that are for the logistic markets, for cold chain tracking, for perishable items, status and condition monitoring detection as well, for device management. But also we have demos on the connected intelligent edge. We have stations where we are showing the capability of our Snapdragon chip that are very small chip integrating many different components to support advanced AI with connectivity. In our hybrid architecture, we have in the Snapdragon chip CPUs, GPUs, DSPs for real-time functions, NPUs for AI acceleration, and a lot of connectivity options. So in a small board, for example, you can integrate your power of multiple complex discrete hardware that in the past were used for this application. Now we can reduce the cost, we can augment the performance, and have thermal efficient application with small edge gateways that can serve multiple industries.
Thank you very much. That was very interesting. I hope you enjoy the rest of the show.
Thank you for your time. Thank you.